Joining my channel. My name is Lhynux I.T Solutions. I do graphic design, website design, and then video editing. So today I want to surprise you. I have a big surprise for you. I don't know. Okay, so before then, I know people know me to be that guy with that big head. You understand? Yeah. So I don't know if anyone can guess what is about to happen today. Yeah. So there's this device that I actually bought for my project, my final year project, and I want to make a video with it. And I think it's the first video in Ghana. I mean, the first in Ghana here now, and I don't know, but then it's all part. So let me introduce you to Oculus Quest 2, the most awaiting one. Yeah. So this is Oculus Quest 2, and this is a device, a virtual reality device. I mean, when we talk about virtual reality, we mean virtual, as in virtual meeting, online meeting, and all. So when we talk about reality, human activity, human experiences, and all those things. So the word virtual reality comes from a virtual online something in reality. You experience it in reality. Like you have a virtual online classes, online meetings, online whatever in reality. So you experience it like you are inside an environment, a virtual environment. Yeah. So this is the device. It's called the virtual reality headset, and this is specifically from Oculus Quest, a Facebook brand that they are coming on. And this is mostly people use it for gaming. People use it to play games mostly, but then some also developers also use this opportunity to do a lot of things, maybe building apps that it is not in existence now. Yeah, so that's why they have most of them as games, Star Wars, and all those things. Yeah, so this one comes with 256 gigabyte of space. Yeah, and then it's actually brand new. We have to unbox it. Tear over. I know you are also expecting, I mean, a very good this thing. So let's let's start doing something. Let's read. So it is written here inside the box: virtual reality headsets, a silicone cover for facial interface, two touch controllers, okay, and then two AA batteries, power adapter, glasses spacer, and charging cables. Yeah. So they've even written here as Facebook account required. So before you can even use this, because it's a brand for Facebook, you have to be a user of Facebook. You understand? Yeah. So I know everybody. So everybody has Facebook by now. Facebook by, let me say, I joined Facebook around 2011 there. Yeah, when it came fresh, and we weren't even using it for anything better. We were just using it for chatting and all those things. But anyways, it's all good. Everything that happens, I mean, everything that they actually improved, and then bringing this idea is another thing that will help us. I mean, developers and then everybody. You understand? Yeah. So let's start. Let's start. Let's unbox it and see what goes. So there is this lid here. You just lift it up and it's here. Oh, I mean, okay. So let's do that right now. Here we go. Okay, what's it? Ghana code thing. New. Alright. So this is where do we open it? Anyways. I have to pull it now. Wow. Nice packaging. Nice packaging. Right. You have to also see this. It has the meta sign. Yeah. So that's it. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. I know you love this, right? Yeah, I also like it. This is the controller. The controller they were talking about. This is the actual headset. Hey, it smells so good, you know. Yeah, so this is the controller, like I said, and this is the headset. This is the headset. I think it has cameras all around to track your bullshit when you're using the balls and all those things. These people are actually brilliant. Facebook, Mazuka Akore, na dream moves I was saying Quest 2 silicone cover protection. And a Chinese money maybe yeah, China for yeah, so this is the strap to help your eye. Anyways, we will set it up. So we all do that. Okay, so this is also what is this? Hey, I'm packaging. Hey, charger. Oh, that's better Type-C charger. Oh wow. Type-C charger, iPhone, American iPhone. Type-C to Type-C. It's not bad. Anyways. So what is here? I don't know what they're saying. I mean, it's okay. One for say BBI or Kweku. Kweku near they say. So we have the manual here that will take you through how it works and what it actually entails. Yeah. So later on we'll go through them. I mean, I'll have to go through it and then see what it actually does and how to actually configure the whole thing. And I'll bring to you everything that is needed. So stay tuned. Yeah, so it has 2 controllers. I didn't take the second one. This is the second controller. And then I think that's it. So it comes as with everything you see here. It's I mean it costs. I don't know, but then. And unfortunately for me, when we bought this, when the dollar rate was so high, I mean around the 13s, and we bought it at $500. Hey, if you more just for a project make yeah. So I know. Stay tuned. I'll bring you exciting channel events, and then you are going to enjoy it. Okay, wait. Let's go through this. What is this? This is, what did they say? The silicone cover for the setting up. Designed to fit over the Quest 2 standard to facial interface. I want no badge. Okay, so this is how it is. I think we so much for the glasses spacer. Yeah, the TV. For you. I don't know. Hey. I didn't know so. There's me. Some. It's a number. Yeah, some to buy secret. I'm coughing. I'm going to go. I think the other version say. Oh, okay. Hey, cool bread. And yes, sir. To was it. Okay, so So move lenses left and right to find the clearest view. Right. Let's take this one also off. Okay, so this is it. This is it. The whole thing has the control. That's the lens. The two lenses. I see no sunlight. No sunlight on the lenses. You shouldn't have the sunlight. And this is what you use to control the movement or the how close or how far you want it from your eye.